Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take better pictures on XIAOMI 15T Pro. Alright, so let's open up our camera app. And now let's begin maybe with the zoom level. Basically, you should avoid using high zoom levels because it will only cause this, that the quality of your picture will be worse. So what I highly recommend to do is to use higher zoom levels, for example, max 10x. I think it should be the max zoom. Yeah, simply using lower zoom levels will cause this, that the quality of your picture will be better. And what to do then? What I highly recommend to do is to simply move closer physically with your phone to the object that you are taking a picture of, instead of using a higher zoom levels. So simply we can say zoom with your feet, grab your phone, use 1x or 2x or 5x, and simply move physically a little bit closer to the object to create a better photo. Also, we can do it with the exposure level. We can adjust it manually. To do it, simply tap on the screen, and now as you slide to the downside, you will lower the exposure, and if you slide to the upside, you will increase it. Basically, adjusting the exposure is the best when everything depends on your surrounding, I mean the light. Let's say that we are in a very well lit environment, that it's so bright outside that there's such a huge chance that when we will take a photo, we won't be able to see anything. So what to do then? I highly recommend simply adjusting the volume, the exposure level a little bit. We can simply manually decrease it a little and then take a photo. Of course, it works also in the opposite side. If we are in a very bad lit environment, when it's dark, we can manually simply increase the exposure level and then create a photo. That's what I highly recommend to do. Alright, next thing is using the Pro mode. In here we can adjust things such as shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and the focus. I highly recommend trying this, all of those features on your own. As you take a look now, it's really dark. Because I think that I have set the ISO, yep, or even the saturation on a different level, and that's why it looks in that way. Basically, in the Pro mode, you can adjust anything that you want before you take a photo. This is XIAOMI 15T Pro, and we can adjust a lot of things right in here before we take a photo. So I highly recommend simply trying this mode on your own. If you want to reset the preset, you can click this button, and everything has been set into default now. So I highly recommend playing with this mode. It's really fun to use. Alright, now as we slide to the upside, we have the Ultra HD mode. Basically, in this mode we have the best camera settings, the best resolution, and in this mode we should be taking the pictures. Also, before taking a photo, it's always good to tap on the screen to gain the focus and then create a photo. That's the best for quality of our picture. But remember that in the Ultra HD we only have two zoom levels, 1x or 5x. That's the only thing that we can do. Also, if you want, you can apply some filters. It also works in normal photo mode. Alright, now we can go into the settings right in here, and for better positioning of our device and better quality, we can go into the general and we can enable the grid lines. We have the rule of thirds or the golden ratio. I'm about to show the rule of thirds. Now, I'll just take a look. This grid appeared on our screen. And thanks to that, we can simply position our camera better to take the best picture. So let's say I have this plant in here right with me, and I want to take a picture of it. Now, thanks to that I have selected the grid lines, now I can position my camera in the proper way before I take the picture. So let's say I want this plant to be in the middle, and thanks to that I have enabled the grid lines, I know that when I'm holding my phone just like this, the plant is in the middle, and that's the moment where I should take the photo. Boom. And now, thanks to the grid lines, our phone was positioned in the proper way, and our beautiful plant is exactly in the middle of our photo. Pretty cool thing, and helps with taking good pictures. Now let me show you the golden ratio, the second mode, general, grid lines, and the golden ratio. It will look a little bit different. We have a different grid. Maybe I'll go with my palm so you'll be able to see how it looks. We also have the center mark and the straighten. Thanks to that, we also know, are we holding our phone steady? We can see this bar right in here, this yellow bar, and it's telling us, are we holding the phone on the proper level? Okay, and also I highly recommend turning the HDR before taking a photo. Thanks to that, we will simply have better quality and better colors. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.